Amorians, in this video I'm gonna dissect how you can make suya at the comfort of your home with ingredients you might already have. First thing first, suya is not that hard to make and it is usually made with beef. We can also use lamb, chicken, whatever. The first thing sorry you need to do is to make the suya spice. In there I have my dried chili pepper, just about a half cup or 1 cup depending on how spicy you want it to be, some dried ginger, calabash nutmegs, a few pieces of cloves, uda or negro pepper. I have some onion powder. You can also use onion flakes and some ginger powder. Now I have my paprika. The paprika here is just to enhance the color of the suya, nothing more. I season that with some salt, seasoning, and of course it won't be complete without kuli kuli. Authentic suya spice is made with good quality kuli kuli, and I'm using Kidat collection kuli kuli for this. After that, you're going to blend this until it is smooth or a bit coarse. I love mine a bit coarse, and your suya spice is ready. Once the suya spice is ready, the next thing you need to do is to prep your protein. I'll be using beef for this. Like I said, you can use lamb, you can use chicken, you can even use fish. You can use any protein you want as your suya. So to make good quality suya, you will need good quality protein. Obviously, I'm just trying to cut out this huge chunk of beef from the cow lap. I don't know what part of cow is this is, but yeah, I wanted the part that has lean beef and has little to no fat in it. The next thing you need to do is to thinly slice your beef like you see me do in the video. Honestly, suya is like literally grilled or roasted, so you want it to be thinly sliced. That way it gets cooked faster and also very easily. When it's too thick, it won't cook thoroughly. It will be left with a very you'll be left with a very tough meat, which you wouldn't like, honestly. So you want it thinly sliced as possible. A gana ma baja-baja, kin fahimta? Ba wai ko ba za mu iya cinye ba, akwai firiji. Ni yanzu ma na san ba zan ji daɗin shi ba zan taɓa jin daɗin abin da na yi lokacin ko cikin stew ɗin na gane ko jiya bai min daɗi ba. The next thing you need to do is to season your beef with some salt and seasoning. and of course some granite oil. Use good quality granite oil, and I highly recommend Kidat granite oil for this. Now massage everything. This is the first marinade. Even though I'm not gonna be marinating this, I'm just gonna season a bit using your skewers. Just skewer the meat onto your sticks, and then you proceed to the next step. Now that your beef is skewered, all you need to do next is to add that suya spice to your beef. You're going to coat this evenly, and trust me, it's gonna stick because of the groundnut oil we use. So apply your suya spice and coat it evenly. Remember, if you want it more spicy, you can add more chili pepper, but if you want it on a medium, just follow the recipe I gave in this video. So you're gonna add your suya spice and make sure you coat your beef evenly. Next thing you need to do is to prepare your grill. Honestly, you can bake that, but that will be oven baked suya, and you won't get that authentic suya taste when you bake it in the oven. If you want that authentic suya taste, just grill it with in the grill. So now after setting up my grill, I'm gonna arrange my suya on top, sorry, and then I'll be basting it with more groundnut oil to get that smoky flavor, and let it cook. You need to keep turning it. Once that side is done, you turn it to the other side, and that's how you literally do it. Yeah. Here the smoke was getting too much, so I had to move out to the balcony to finish this video. Yeah, so let it cook. You will know your suya is done when it is well charred, it is beautiful, it has this nice aroma, and it is done when you eat. It is soft to eat and all that. Like I said, let me emphasize on cutting it thinly sliced because you want your suya to be soft and not tough. Once your suya is ready, you just remove that from the grill and set aside. The next thing you're going to complement your suya depends on you. Majority of people just do veggies, cucumber, tomatoes, onions. Some do cabbage, bell peppers. It all depends on you. So you're going to serve your suya wherever you want, but in the corner usually we serve suya with gorasa, sometimes with masa or sinacho, you name it. So at this junction my suya is ready and I'm gonna plate it. By the way, for my veggies I use cabbage, some bell peppers and onions, but you can do what you want. Yeah, add more suya spice and your suya is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and I can't wait to see you on my next one. Subscribe, follow and like for more. Bye.